Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayu Endah Lestari, you can call me Ayu. I'm a student of Mercubuana University majoring in accounting. In this video, I will explain about cash flow statements. Okay, let's go straight to the video. Happy watching! Cash flow statement. Cash flow is the lifeblood of a business which plays a vital role in an economic life. The word fund is used in a word sense refers to cash. When cash is used as fund, the analysis relates to movement of cash. Cash flows refer to the actual movement of cash into and out of an organization. In other words, the movement of cash inclusive of inflow and cash and outflow of cash. When the cash flow into the organization, it represents inflow of cash. Similarly, when the cash flows out of the business concern, it called as cash outflows. In order to ensure cash flow are adequate to meet current liabilities such as tax payment, which amounts due to the trade creditors, it is essential to prepare a statement of change in the financial position of a firm on cash basis is called as cash flow statement. This statement depicting movement of cash position from one period to another. The structure of the cash flow statement. The main components of the cash flow statement are: first, cash from operating activities. The cash flow statement begins with cash flow from operating activities. It starts with net income or loss, followed by addition to or subtraction from that amount to adjust that net income to a total cash flow figure. What is added or subtracted are changed in the account balances of item fund, in current asset and current liabilities on the balance sheet, as well as non-cash accounts, stock-based compensation. We then arrive at the cash version of the company's net income. Second, cash from investing activities. This category of the statement of cash flow is referred to as cash flow from investing activities and reports change in capital expenditure and long-term investment. Capital expenditure refers to the purchase of property, plant, or equipment assets. Long-term investment may include debt and equity instrument of other companies. Another important item found here is acquisition of other businesses. A key to remember is that a change in the long-term asset in the balance sheet is reported in the investing activities of the cash flow statement. Third, cash from financing activities. This category is also called cash flow from financing activities and reports any issuance or repurchases of stocks and bonds of the company as well as any dividend payments it makes. The change in long-term liabilities and stockholders' equity in the balance sheets are reported in financing activities. Uses of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a useful tool to the management for taking important financial decision making. The following are the use of this statement are: this statement is the most useful to the management to prepare dividend and retention policy. It guides the management to evaluate the change in cash position. It presents in brief to the management about the performance of operational, financial, and investment activities for effective decision. Then, it helps to know how the movement of cash took place and the factors which cause the change in the cash flows. It guides the management in order to take decision about short-term obligation. It also presents the detail about the source of the cash and application of cash during the particular period. Difference between fund flow statement and cash flow statement. Fund flow statements and cash flow statement are the two useful tools of financial analysis and interpretation of financial statement. But at the same time, both to the statement differ from each other in the following manner. Fund flow statement helps to measure the causes of change in working capital, whereas cash flow statement focuses on the cause for the movement of cash during a particular period. Fund flow statement is prepared on the basis of fund or all financial research, while cash flow statement is based on cash basis on accounting. Cash flow statement guides to the management for short-term financial planning, while fund flow analysis helps to the management for intermediate and long-term financial planning. Statement of change in working capital is required for the preparation of fund flow statement, while for cash flow statement, no such statement is required. Limitation of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement has limited scope as it compares with fund flow statement because it discloses inflows and outflows of cash alone. It does not reveal the overall financial position of the concern. Cash flow statement cannot provide a comprehensive picture of a financial position because non-cash items of expenses and incomes are excluded. The balances as disclosed by the cash flow statement may not be treated as actual liquid position of the concerned since it cannot be easily influenced by postponing purchases and other payments. Preparation of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is prepared like fund flow statement. Preparation of this statement is based on the movement of cash, may be an actual inflow of cash or outflow of cash, profit and loss account, and other relevant information. While preparing a cash flow statement, it starts with an opening balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. All the source of cash are added to an opening balance minus application of cash is reconciled with the closing balance of cash. The balance represents cash and bank balances at the end of accounting period. Source and application of cash. Source of cash or inflow of cash are the following are the main source of cash, such as cash from operations for trading profit, sales of fixed asset for cash, sale of investment for cash, issue of shares and debentures for cash, raising long-term loans from banks and financial institutions, increase in any liabilities and decrease in any assets. Next, application of cash or outflow of cash. Application of cash can be involved in the following forms: cash loss in operations or trading losses, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of investments, redemptions of shares and debentures by cash, redemptions of preference shares, decrease in any liabilities, decrease in any assets, and repayment of long-term loans. Computation of cash flow statement. A comprehensive cash flow statement is ascertained in two stages. Cash from operation, i.e. internal source of cash calculated by preparing combined statement of adjusted profit and loss account. External source and application of cash, i.e. flow of cash involves and in non-current items ascertained by the statement of source and application of cash. Cash from operations. Cash from operation is the main source of inflow of cash. The net profit or net loss is the net effect of business transactions solved by the profit and loss account. In order to find out the actual movement of cash from trading operations, it is essential to ascertaining cash from operations. It can be calculated under the following situations when all transactions are cash transactions. It assumes that where all the expenses and losses, incomes and gains are paid or received in cash during the particular period. The net profit and net loss shown by the profit and loss account is taken as the amount of the cash operations. Thus, Net profit or net loss is equal to cash from operations. When net profit made by a firm represents cash inflow or cash profit from operations, similarly, the net loss shown by the profit and loss account refers to cash outflow from operations. Second, when all transactions are not cash transactions. In actual practice, business transactions are made either on cash basis or credit basis. For example, goods purchased or sold on cash as well as on credit. Certain expenses are always outstanding, and some of the incomes are not immediately realized. Under such circumstance, the net profit made by the firm cannot generate equivalent amount of cash. Therefore, the charging of non-fund or non-cash items such as outstanding expense, incomes received in the advance, repair expenses, and outstanding incomes, etc. The profit and loss account should be readjusted. In such circumstance, the actual cash from operations can be calculated by preparing adjusted profit and loss account.